Hello, Hardresset here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix any failures and problems with your Coursera app on the iOS. So first thing you want to check is go out to the App Store, go Coursera, right here our app, and you want to check if you have the newest version like me. If you don't have, you just need to update. That's the most common issue with the app. After update everything should be alright, but if it's not, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So first, easiest way is go up to the settings, go all the way down, go to the apps right there, and just you want to find your app. We got our app here, and you want to set every single settings on default. Like here I have the default, so Siri everything on, search everything on, background app refresh on, language really doesn't matter, and all of the down there it doesn't matter also. So after changing to the default everything should be alright, but if it's not, the last way is just take your Coursera app, remove, uninstall, go back to the App Store and just reinstall the app. After reinstalling the app, everything should be alright. And if the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.